Welcome back. You should have already requested a sending limits increase. And if you have, what you can do is you can go ahead and log into your Sendy account. Now for your Sendy account, you're going to need to verify your login email address. And when you get the email, you're going to click the link to confirm. And your email will then be verified with Amazon SES. You can then come back to your login. You can refresh by hitting F5, and then the verification message will go away. You'll then be able to then click Add a New Brand. And this will be the brand that you'll be sending under, the brand name, and all the email address related information you're going to be placing in. Once you have your information in, you'll then click Save. Again, if you have already requested your send rate increase, you'll see that information on the left side panel. If you haven't, you will want to request your increase so that you can begin sending with Sendy. And now your newsletter program is set up to send with Amazon SES. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.